Welcome to the Future Bike Hub 09. Today, we have something special for all car lovers. The iconic Suzuki Mehran VXL, a legendary car in Pakistan, known for its reliability, affordability, and timeless design. Let's dive into every detail of this small yet powerful hatchback. Starting with the exterior, the Mehran VXL features a compact, stylish design, perfect for city driving. The front has a sleek grille with the Suzuki logo, clear headlamps for night driving, and a clean bumper design. From the side, you notice smooth lines and a sporty profile that gives it a modern look. Despite being a classic, the rear sports taillights with integrated reflectors, a simple yet elegant hatch, and a rear bumper that completes its balanced design. Its 13-inch alloy wheels make it easy to maneuver in traffic while maintaining a stylish appearance. Moving inside, the Mehran VXL is surprisingly spacious for its size. The dashboard is simple and functional, featuring an analog speedometer, fuel gauge, and odometer. The AC vents are placed perfectly for cooling, and the VXL comes with air conditioning. As standard, a major upgrade from previous models. Seats are upholstered in comfortable fabric, with adjustable headrests for both driver and passenger. The cabin also includes storage compartments, a glove box, and cup holders for convenience. Under the hood, the Mehran VXL is powered by a 796cc petrol engine, delivering smooth performance for city roads. It has a 5-speed manual transmission that gives you full control and efficient fuel economy. One of the reasons this car is so popular, its lightweight body ensures nimble handling, making it perfect for narrow streets and urban traffic. The suspension system provides a comfortable ride, while the brakes are reliable for safe stopping at all speeds. The Mehran VXL also comes with several upgraded features for convenience and safety. Power steering makes driving easier, especially in city traffic. The car is equipped with seatbelts for all passengers, a steering lock for security, and a compact design that ensures easy parking. Its fuel efficiency is impressive, giving around 15 to 17 kilometers per liter, depending on driving conditions. Maintenance is simple and affordable, making it ideal for daily commuters and small families. Why do people love the Mehran VXL? It's simple: affordability, reliability, and simplicity. Even in 2026, this car remains a symbol of budget-friendly driving without compromising on comfort. It's perfect for students, small families, or anyone who wants a trusted city car that lasts for years. That's all about the Suzuki Mehran VXL. If you enjoyed this full detailed tour, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Future Bike Hub 09, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Stay tuned for more exciting car and bike content from Pakistan and beyond.